In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Ria Money Transfer with a method that's super simple and easy to follow. Whether you're new to Ria or have used their services numerous times, mistakes or unforeseen circumstances can happen, leading you to need a refund. Let me walk you through this process step by step so that you can resolve your issue efficiently and with minimal stress. First, let's start by going to the Ria website. Open up your web browser and type in the Ria Money Transfer URL. Once there, you'll find a host of services they provide. However, for today, we're going to focus on troubleshooting and getting your money back when needed. While the site is user-friendly, it's understandable that navigating to find the exact refund process could be somewhat daunting. But don't worry, we'll make our way through it together. Now that you're on the Ria homepage, our next stop is the Ria Help Center. On the main page, you'll typically find a navigation panel or a help section. Click on that to access the help center. Here, you'll find various resources and FAQs that cover a wide range of concerns, from tracking transfers to broader customer service topics. This section is an invaluable tool filled with helpful guides and contact options for when you need assistance. Once you're in the help center, you'll want to locate their customer care hotline. This is an essential aspect of requesting a refund. Customer care can provide direct assistance, ensuring that your refund process begins smoothly. It's also worth noting that the representatives are trained to walk you through any paperwork or information you might need to provide, so having your transaction details on hand will be beneficial. Being prepared with all necessary details can really expedite the process and help you avoid any unnecessary back and forth. In terms of contacting them, you have a couple of options. You can directly call their customer care hotline. If you're not a fan of waiting on hold, consider checking if they have an online chat service within the help center, or perhaps an email contact option, though bear in mind that responses via email might take a little longer. Remember, getting a refund might take some time as processes vary depending on the issue, but starting by contacting their customer care ensures you're on the right path. Reassure yourself that their customer support is there to help sort things out. They're equipped to provide you with the best guidance and efficiently handle your request. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to initiating a refund from Ria Money Transfer. Keep in mind that patience and preparation with your transaction details will be your allies in this process. Good luck and rest easy knowing you're taking the necessary steps to resolve your issue. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful content like this.